Everyone, let's look at the details of our UPSC CSAT 2026 course. Alright, so let's have a look at our current CSAT course. So these are the folders that you can see. यहाँ पे हमने सारे topics को segregate कर दिया है. Let's say you click on logical reasoning. So you go on to the respective topics. Suppose I go on to direction sense. So I have the lectures with me: basic, clock-based direction sense question, coding, decoding, direction sense problem, shadow-based direction sense problem. Then I have a PYQ sheet. Then a PS1. PS1 is actually practice sheet 1, which consists of 30 expected questions from that topic. So similarly, we have for all of these topics. You can come back and go to maybe number system. You can see number tree, unit digit, divisibility rule, remainder theorem, counting digits, number of zeros, EWR puzzle, factors, HCF, LCM, all those topics are there. So we are covering everything right from the beginning. So we'll have extensive lectures with practice sheet 1, practice sheet 2, and PYQ sheet for every topic of quantitative aptitude. जैसे you'd be having lectures on number system topics, arithmetic topics such as average, percentage, ratio, time and work, time, speed, distance, or any of the logical reasoning topics. Same pattern would be followed for logical reasoning topics as well. So we'd be having PS1, which is practice sheet 1, PS2, which is practice sheet 2, and then the PYQ sheet. Other than the lectures भी होंगे. With this, we would be covering reading comprehension as well, with short conceptual lectures. You get my mentorship throughout the course, plus doubt solving directly through me. And I would be guiding you how and when to start and what topics you should be covering. So as you have seen already that these were our programs and how you can access the content on our portal. So we have divided this course into 3 major phases. Phase 1 is going to end now, wherein we have covered all the lectures with the notes and a PS1 and then the PYQ sheet with the lecture of PYQ as well. So this is our phase 1, the content delivery part. Once you get hold of this, then maybe you can start the revision. And how do you revise? With a new set of questions. तो यहाँ पे ये दिसंबर और जनवरी का प्लान है. यहाँ पे मैं आपको डेली एक शीट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस शीट 2 अपडेट करूँगा. आप जो भी टॉपिक रिवाइज कर रहे हैं आप उनको यहाँ से कवर कर सकते हैं. Now, our final and the most important phase of our course would be from February onwards, wherein I would be providing you with 10 full-length tests as hard copy. I'd be providing you a strategy for the first 5 tests as well, based on your results and how you perform. If needed, I will be changing the strategy. So, you'd be doing these tests in February itself, and from March onwards till your examination, we would be working on 2 things parallelly. First is your problem areas, and secondly, I would be providing you with few practice questions on a daily basis, and you are supposed to take those questions. That is our whole curriculum. The best time to start is right now, because you already get these lectures as recorded format. I will be guiding you with a planner, preferably a weekly planner. This is what we are doing with our current enrollments. Yeah, you're supposed to cover those weekly targets. In case you have any doubt, directly reach out to me on this WhatsApp number. That's something that we are doing for every student. All right. So currently we are offering a special offer of 28% off on our actual course with EMI option for selected students if you have any difficulty. For course enrollment and details, you can directly reach out to us on this WhatsApp number. Thank you everyone. Happy learning.